Good morning, friends. In the last lecture, we are solving the problem related to the arithmetic propagations. How we can know that this question is related to the arithmetic propagations, or how we can find the first term of the arith AP, D of AP, and n terms of the AP. After that, today we are solve the questions related to the nth terms. Before solving the nth terms, we are solve the formula of the nth terms. To finding the nth term, the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, D is difference between two terms, and number of term. If you just wanted to find out the last term, similarly this is the formula, it is also known as in the form of the n. If you just wanted to last term, then you apply formula L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is called as you finding the last term formula. Here the some questions given related to the arithmetic propagation of the nth term. So we are going to solve some problems. Question number first, fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that a is the first term, d the common difference, and an the nth term of the AP. Suppose that we are taking a questions that here is a is given, a is equal to, question number first of second, a is minus 18, d is not given, d is equal to what? You find n is given, n is equal to 10, n is equal to 10, and an is equal to 0. Okay. Suppose that four quantities are given. Here a is given minus 18, d is not given, n is equal to 10, and an is equal to 0. Then first you apply the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then you put up the values which is given in the questions. Here an is given, an is equal to 0, an is equal to 0, it is a given. First term a is also given, it is a minus 18 plus number of the term, here number of the term is also given, it is a 10. So this is a 10 minus 1 into d, d is not given, you find the value of d. So you transfer this 18, so this is equal to 18 because here is a negative, so the next side it is a positive, and this is a 10 minus 1, it is equal to 9d, or 9d is equal to 18, so d is equal to 18 by 9, 9 2s are 18, so the d is equal to 2. So as like this, if a, d, n and an, any one term is not given, then you find that term, apply this formula. So I think all of you understand these questions. If you have given this type of the questions, then you can solve, apply this method. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Question number second. Here the question number second is given that choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Question number first, second of first, that here 30th term of the AP the AP is given 10, 7, 4 and dot dot. 30 term of the AP. Suppose that here you wanted to do 30 term of the AP, it means n is equal to 30. A means first term, A is equal to 10. D means difference, D is equal to second term minus first term. Here 7 is a second term and 10 is a first term, so the 7 minus 10. Here if you subtract 7 minus 10, so it is equal to minus 3. After that you apply the formula an. The formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the value of an is not given, so you find the an. A is given, a is equal to 10 plus number of the term is also given, it is a n is equal to 30, so this is a 30 minus 1 and d, the value of d, this is equal to minus 3. So an is equal to 10 plus 30 minus 1, it means 29 into minus 3. Then an is equal to 10 minus n plus, it is equal to minus 3 9s are 27, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6, 6 to 8, it means 87. So this is equal to an is equal to 87 minus 10, so this is equal to minus 77. So the 13th terms of that AP, an is equal to minus 77. I think all of you understand. If the various things are given, then you solve as like this these problems. We are going to the next problem. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the box. Suppose that how you can find the missing terms. Suppose some questions are given, so I solve a questions. If the missing terms is given, then how you can solve these problems? All of you see here that question number third of fourth. Here is given minus 4 box, next box, next box, next, and then 6. How you can fill up the missing place? So in the case of the arithmetic propagation, this is the first term, this is the second term, third term, fourth term, fifth terms and sixth term. So all of you denoted by the first term a is equal to minus 4. Second term is denoted by a plus d. A plus d. If you denoted second term, then this is a plus d. Similarly, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term and sixth term. Then you can denote six terms a plus 5d. Because if second term, so here is only d. Then sixth term, so a plus 5d. This is equal to 6. This is the equation number first. You put up the value of the a from here. So this is equal to minus 4 and plus 5d is equal to 6. Therefore 5d is equal to 6 plus 4, because minus 4 goes that side and converted into the plus 4. So this is a 6 plus 4, it is equal to 10. 5d is equal to 10. Therefore d is equal to 2, because 5 2s are 10. Here the value of d is given. So the first term and d both are you find out. So the second term, it means a plus d. A plus d, first term is equal to minus 4 plus second term is difference is a d. So minus 4 plus 2, it is equal to minus 2. Therefore the second term is a minus 2. Next, third term a plus 2d. Therefore, this is a minus 4 plus 2 into 2. Therefore, minus 4 plus 4 and it is equal to 0. So, third term is a 0. Next, fourth term a plus 3d. It means minus 4 plus 3 into 2. Therefore, minus 4 plus 6 and it is equal to 2. So, the fourth term is a 2. Next, a plus 4d. It means a is a first term. This is equal to minus 4 and plus d 4 into 2. Therefore, minus 4 and plus 4 2s are 8. So, this is equal to plus 4. So, in this type method, you apply method and you find out the fill up the place which is a blank given in the questions. Apply the formula an is equal to all the questions of this exercise. All the questions solving on the formula a is equal to an plus an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. If you apply this formula, then you solve all these questions. Next question is also given. Which term of the AP? Suppose that this type of the question is given, then how you can solve? Here is the question is given that which terms of the AP here, which term of AP, question number 4, which term of AP that 3, 8, 13, 18 and dot dot is 78. Which term of the AP is 78? Suppose that this type of the question is given, it means here first term is given, a is equal to 3. This is the first term. After that you find the d. Here d is equal to second term minus first term. So d is equal to 8 minus 3, it is equal to 5. Here an, it means last term. Last term is given, it means L. L is equal to 78. Either you can say it is a an. An is also equal to L. So you apply the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You know that the value of an, this is equal to 78. So you put up here 78. 78 is equal to a is a 3 plus n minus 1, the value of d is equal to 5. 78 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3, this is equal to 75 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 and 2 7, 5 5s are 25. So n minus 1 is equal to 15. There n is equal to 15 plus 1 and this is equal to 16. So you know, and you see here that the 16th term of the AP, this is equal to 78. So you can find the 17 terms or various type of the terms. If you apply this formula, then you solve this type of the questions. So we are going to ahead for the next questions. Find the number of the term. How you can find the number of the term? Suppose that the AP is given, then how you can find the number of the term of AP? So if this type of the question is given, then how you can solve this type of the questions? So I solve it. That question number 5. Here question is given that find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Suppose that first term is 7, second term is a 13, third term is a 19 and dot dot 205. Last term is a 205. Then how you can find how many number of the term in that AP? Here is also first term A is given, A is equal to 7. Difference D, D is equal to second term 13 minus 7. This is the 13 minus 7, so it is equal to 6. After that last term, it means this is the last term AL, either AN is equal to, it is a given that 205, either 205. Then you apply the same formula, because all the questions are solving is like this, AN is equal to L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Last term is given, that is 205. 205 is equal to A, first term is a 7 plus N minus 1 and D is equal to 6. So 205 minus 7 is equal to N minus 1 into 6. 205, it means 198 is equal to N minus 1 into 6. Either N minus 1 is equal to 198 divided by 6. Here 6 3s are 18, 119. So it is also 18. So 6 3s are 18. Therefore N minus 1 is equal to 33. So N is equal to 33 plus 1. So N is equal to 34. So there are 34 terms. There are the 34 terms in that AP. This is equal to N is equal to 34. So the 34 term of that AP is equal to 205. Okay, I think all of you understand these questions. Next, some words problem is also given as like question number 7. Find the 31st term of the AP whose 11 terms is 38 and 16 terms is 73. If this type of the question is given, then how you can solve this type of the question where the some terms are given and you find A and D, either you find the series. Question number 7, I repeat next time, that find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term. 11 terms, it means A11. It is a given 38. And 16th terms, A16. It is given, it is equal to 73. Then you find the 31st term, it means A31 is equal to half. Let we say the first term of AP is A and difference is D. I say that the first term of the AP is A and the difference is D. So here is equal to, formula you apply, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here you find the 11 terms. So A11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. The value of A11 is given, it is a 38. So 38 is equal to A plus 10D. You say this is the equation number first. Similarly, 16 terms, it means A16 is equal to A plus 16 minus 1 into D. You also put up the value of this formula. Then A16 is given, it is a 73 is equal to A plus 15D. This is the equation number second. You solve the equation number first and second. If we solving the question number first and second, then equation number first is a plus 10d is equal to 38, and second is a plus 15d is equal to 73. Here the value of a is same. If the value of a is same and there is a sign is the same, then you after the subtraction the sign will be changed. This is a minus, this is the minus, this is the minus. A plus a minus 8 is a cancel. Here is a minus 15, here is a plus 10d, so this is equal to minus 5d. Then this is a negative 73, this is a positive 38. 13 minus 8, it is a 5. Next 6 minus 3, it is equal to 3. So d minus is cancelled by minus. D is equal to 35 divided by 5. 5 7s are 35. So D is equal to 7. The value of D, this is equal to 7. You find the value of D after you put up the values of D in any equation, either first, either second, and you find the value of A. So from equation 1, if we taking the equation number 1, so this is equal to a plus 10d is equal to 38. Then the value of d is equal to 7. So a plus 10 into 7 is equal to, because the value of d is given, it is equal to 38. So a is equal to 38 minus 10 7s are 70. So a is equal to 10 minus 8 2, 6 minus 3 is equal to, this is equal to 32. Right. So the value of a and d both are given. After that you find the 31st term. If you just wanted to find the 31st term, so a31 is equal to a is given, so this is the 32 plus 32 minus 1, and d is also given, it is a 7. This is a minus 32. So this is equal to, a is equal to minus 32, then you put up the value of minus 32. Here is the 31st term, so this is the 31. And d, the value of d is given, it is a 7. So a 31 is equal to minus 32, 31 minus 1, it means 30 into 7. So a 31 is equal to minus 32 and plus 7 3s are 21, 210. So 210 minus 32, it is equal to 10 minus 2, it means 8. Here 10 minus 3, 7, and this is equal to 1. So this is equal to 178. So a31 is equal to 178. So you find the value of 31st term. So I think all of you understand this type of the questions related to the nth terms. So you apply only one formula, that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and you put up the values. This is also the formula for the L. L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d in the case of the last term. So you solve this type of the questions. I think all of you understand very well. So okay, goodbye.